What's going on, everybody? It's James back in the Edge Finder. Today is Tuesday, September 6th. We didn't have a video for you yesterday because it was Labor Day, but we are going to be doing our normal Monday video today on Tuesday. So that means that we're going to be taking a look at the Smart Money Tracker here in the Edge Finder. And the Smart Money Tracker has a new look to it. If you're familiar with the Smart Money Tracker videos that I've been doing, normally we have the big box grid here, but we've got a new look to the Smart Money Tracker. So we're going to go through all of that today, take a look at the COT data. That's what we're looking at. Here is COT data, or institutional traders data. But let's go ahead and just jump right in with our top buy here, which is US oil. So you can see that the way that we have it set up now is we have our top buy here going down to the top sell here at the bottom.
Right now, we're doing a major discount on our private trading Discord. Inside of the group, our analysts share their trade signals with a full breakdown of entries, exits, and the reasoning behind their trade. Additionally, you'll be able to chat with other A1 Trading members, and you'll be supporting our content. In order to take advantage of this significant discount, use code A1YT when checking out with the link in the description below. We look forward to seeing you inside of the group.
Our blue is our long and red is short, as you can see right here. So we have US oil sitting at 76.30% long and 23.7% short. The US dollar is 76.18% long and 23.82% short. ZAR 76.04% long and 23.96% short. Gold 66.68% long and 33.32% short. The Canadian dollar 62.97% long and 37.03% short. NASDAQ 100 60.48% long, 39.52% short. JP225 49.32% long and 50.68% short. US 30 48.71% long and 51.29% short. So now we're into the sells. JP225, I guess, was a sell at 49% long. Silver is 46.14% long and 53.86% short. Platinum 45.84% long and 54.16% short. Swiss franc 45.67% long and 54.33% short. New Zealand dollar 45.65% long and 54.35% short. The euro 44.73% long and 55.27% short. Pound 40.02% long and 59.98% short. The yen 36.21% long and 63.79% short. SPX 500 33.38% long and 66.62% short. And rounding it out here at the bottom, we have the US 10Y at 26.18% long and 73.82% short. And our top sell is going to be the Australian dollar at 26.09% long and 73.91% short. So we also have our totals here. We have our risk on, risk off, metals, and oil. Just a reminder, the risk off currency pairs, if we click on that, we can actually see them right here, and that's the US dollar, the Swiss franc, and the Japanese yen. So that's a cool feature that we have listed now. And risk on pairs we have here, the NASDAQ, New Zealand dollar, the euro, the pound, the SPX 500, and the Australian dollar. Oil is still just oil, but that's a big commodity. And we also have our metals, gold, silver, and platinum. So you can click on the category here if you want to take a look at any of these categories specifically and have just those charts show up top. But the way that we're getting this number here is by getting our total open contracts. So Before, we did have the contracts listed here so that you could see exactly how many contracts were listed for each individual currency. You can still see the total. So this number is all of these contracts, long and short, for each of these currencies added up, and we're getting a total of 1,026,394 total open positions. So that's how we're getting these numbers. Same here for risk off, adding up long and short contracts for all three of these currencies, and we're getting a total of 244,478 open contracts. Okay. Oil is just oil, so that is the total number long and short contracts for oil. And then metals, same deal, gold, silver, and platinum added up. That's our number here. So if you were really looking, the reason that we do this is because if you're really looking, for example, if you're really looking, say, at the risk on pairs, and you really wanted to know whether or not to buy or sell risk on pairs, well, you can look at them as a whole, and you can see that as a whole, it actually only sits at a 42.28% long, which would give that a, let me see, quick math, 58.72% short. That was my quick math. I'm not great at math. I hope I did that right. I think I did. If I did that right, let me know in the comments. And if I didn't, let me know in the comments also. I need to know if I did that math right. So yeah, like I was saying, when it comes to the total open positions, if you really wanted to sell, you're interested in the risk off section. You're interested in buying or selling the US dollar, the yen, and the Swiss franc. As a whole, you can see that, all right, well, this is how many total open positions there are, and 118,100 of them are long. I should have mentioned that a second ago. These are how many of this number, how many of this number is long. That's how we're getting this percentage. So we can see that 48.31% of the total positions here in the risk off section are long. So maybe you wanted to short it instead. And then finally down here, we can see our top long and top sell, which is just a quicker than just glancing at this. We can just go down here and quickly see top 5 buy, top 5 sell. We have, again, US oil, US dollar, gold, NASDAQ 100, and silver at the top buy or top long. And the Aussie dollar, SPX 500, the yen, the pound, and the euro are top short or top sell. So yeah, that is our new look smart money tracker. Again, this is taking a look at COT data or institutional trader data, which is the big retail, or not retail, trading firms. This is what the big money players are buying and selling. This is what they're doing with their money. I hope that you guys like this new format. I really like this feature here, where if you really just wanted to look at one of these certain sections, you can click on it here and get a more in-depth and easy to read view of these certain currency pairs. You can also, if you wanted, for example, if you're just really wanted to look at the US dollar and you didn't want all these other numbers up here, you can click this here to quickly break into just the US dollar section. And you can do that for any of these pairs. Gold, same thing. The yen, same thing here. So yeah, that's our new look smart money tracker. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to go back to the home page just for a second so you can take a look at some of this information if you'd like. We have our top buys and top sells here with all of our metric scores. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out the Smart Money Tracker. Lots of useful information there. If you want the Edge Finder for yourself, you can do that in the link in the description. We have links to getting the Edge Finder for yourself. You can also chat with a team member if you have any questions about it. Those links are down there as well. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you in the next one.